Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to open your BMW X5 manually when your remote isn't working. First, you'll need to find the hidden key blade. It's usually tucked away inside your key fob. Once you have the blade, look closely at your driver's side door handle. There's often a small, discreet cover or a hidden keyhole. Gently remove the cover or locate the keyhole, then insert the key blade and turn it to unlock the door. Now that you're inside, the next step is to start your X5. Even if your key fob battery is dead, your car has a way to recognize the key. Look for a specific slot or area on the steering column or near the dashboard where you can place your key fob. Once it's in position, simply press the start/stop button while keeping your foot on the brake pedal. Your BMW should then power on, ready for your journey. If you're frequently resorting to manual entry, a dead key fob battery is likely the culprit. This is a very common issue, and thankfully, it's an easy fix. Most BMW key fobs use a standard CR2032 coin cell battery. You can usually open the fob with a small screwdriver or by following instructions in your owner's manual. Replacing the battery will restore your remote's full functionality, making entry and starting much more convenient. Always remember to keep a spare key in a safe and easily accessible place, just in case. It's also a good idea to practice the manual entry process once or twice so you're prepared for any unexpected situations. Knowing these steps can save you a lot of hassle. And speaking of adventures, if you love to read, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below this video. Happy driving!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.